Well, it's about that time. Time to check the pulse, starting with Game 1 of the World Series, bringing an epic exchange between a college student and his instructor.
So this was fascinating. Ohio University professor Damian Nance called out Charlie Winovich for being absent from class on Tuesday, saying, "When I took attendance towards the end of class, your name was not among those present. Can you explain this, or should I take it as deceit, for which I have no tolerance?"
Well, Winovich responded, "My dad got us tickets for the World Series in Cleveland. I'm sorry, I didn't want to miss the attendance, and I did the homework. I understand if you have repercussions. Attached is a picture of my brother and I at the game last night."
And in a community there in northern Ohio, that's quite all right. So Dr. Nance replied, "Charlie, that looks like an impeccable excuse. No repercussions. Go Tribe."